been trying to at least get the first part of the song More Than Words down. Never did any kind of finger picking much, so I'm not very good at that. Don't know what the hell I'm doing. I haven't really attempted it that much, so we'll see how bad I screw up. Plus this guitar sucks. Kind of working on it, but yeah, I think that's how it goes. Very bad at this, but I guess the longer I practice, the better I get. Now if I can just practice that and get that down, maybe I can learn the rest of that. I don't know. Probably not. I guess we'll have to see.